Hey there, it's Jenna from Sit by Go, your home cooking helper. I have so many new tips coming to help you home cook better and easier and more delicious. Stay tuned. As a mom and someone who owns their own business, I totally understand what it means to have little room to do much for yourself, never mind home cook for your family. The one thing that has tremendously helped me is to plan and think in advance. I'm really convinced that we have been taught everything is done right that second, which is why you don't have the right food in the fridge. You go back to the same meals. I want you to think about a few things on a menu that you would actually want to eat. And those are the things I want you to be thinking about when you're grocery shopping. If it's Mexican food, get the ingredients that you're gonna need. You're gonna need avocados, get onions and peppers, whatever you want to change it up. But stick with that profile for a few days. You're going to see a difference in the type of food that you're able to home cook when you have all of the ingredients that you need, and it's the things that you would be eating out anyways. You will never believe this, but I actually want you to stop going to the grocery store. I understand that sounds counterintuitive because how are you gonna know what to cook or have ingredients if you can't go to the store? Well, what I want you to do is to order online, get either pickup so you're not stepping into the grocery store, or get delivery. The reason I don't want you to go to the grocery store is because it is so easy to get in a rut. It's so much easier to do online shopping and be able to read all you need to read on there, use a search bar, find the ingredients that you need, and get out. You want all your ingredients to be just right, but believe me, I find that if you order from a reputable grocery store, there's usually no issues, and if there are, it's really easy to get your money back if there's any sort of an issue. I think you're gonna find that you actually spend less money when you order your groceries online and budget better. I totally understand that some days you are just not inspired to do any home cooking. I want you to stop making the same recipes over and over again, and when it comes to meal planning, find 2 to 3 new recipes that you want to try. Set yourself up for success and make sure they don't have a ton of ingredients. One thing you can do is go into your pantry and see what items are you just not using. Do you have a bag of rice? Do you have some pasta? Build your recipes around these items. That way you're not building everything from scratch. And then think about what's the last thing you ate out? What did you order? What did your family order? Put them on the menu. Another trick I have is to print out a bunch of recipes, show them to my family and say, hey, what do you want to try? I learned that in corporate America, get buy-in for whatever idea you're trying to pitch. If you're one of the people who find grocery shopping to be super overwhelming, here's what I want you to do. What you need to do is not go grocery shopping blindly. I keep notes on my phone about a few recipes that my family loves to eat on repeat. You want to create a detailed shopping list that you're going to use over and over and over. The most important thing here is that it has all of your staples. Whatever it is for your family to be happy all week, you make sure that these basics are on the list. So when you go to the grocery store, you're getting the absolute basics that you need, and then you can build on top of those with new recipes you're trying or whatever's in season. I've recommended it before and I'll recommend it again. I absolutely love online grocery shopping, that it's so easy to stick on budget and make sure you have all the items that you need if you do online ordering. I will be back very soon with more tips to make your home cooking even easier. I hope it helps you out. I'll see you back here for more tips next time.